I gotta start all over again. I was trying to take some video with my camera. I don't know if he'll use it or not, but he is digging a trench for the super duper 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 electric cable, and he's putting it in conduit, of course. 2-inch heavy duty conduit, and he's got to make a ditch all the way to our temporary pole, to the just before the RV there. And you know, of course it's going to rain again this weekend, so he's trying to get this done before Saturday. And so I hope you can see it. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure it was running. He's got to be careful he doesn't hit the bill, because it's way up on post. This is the highest side. It's 9 feet on the corner up to the bottom of the cottage. Not easy, just the two of us, but we're having fun. We'll get it done. You can see this all right. I love Ms. Kubota. Good girl. anything?
Alright.
Want to say hello? I tried to tell him what we were doing. Do you want to say anything?
No.
No? Okay.
I don't know if you want to pick it up, pick the camera up and go show them what we've done.
Okay. Here's where it's coming through the floor. He glued it there. He needed an elbow. And then, I got a duck, excuse me. He came, like this, down here. And then, we, I hope you can see. See right there where that, I forget what you call those, the post, and he's made a sharp elbow there because he's got to go, it's 7 feet from the bottom of the exterior floor. He's got to go all the way down to the ditch. So the ditch starts right there. So it's gonna, he's gotta run it along this board and then down. And then he's trying to get this elbow here on the PVC glued before I have to leave. I gotta go pick up the granddaughter an hour and a half from here. And you know, he'd like to get that much done. And then you go straight from there. I don't want to fall into the hole. You're going to go straight down. Here's the camper. I can't, he's in the way. But anyway, straight down to the right. And then under the RV driveway. And then there's the pole. I'll walk you down there. Oh, we could do it in another video, but I'll walk down there and show you the angle he's coming at. See the cable? It's going to come to the right of that post, and then it's going to come down and go to the right of those birch trees, and there it is there, to the right of the birch trees, under the driveway, and then over to the pole. He'll show you that later, I'm sure. Thank you.
So as Linda was showing you underneath, us installing some of this conduit and the cable. The cable's been pulled and it's up through the floor and into the box, terminated. So I'm going to go outside and show a little bit of the digging. From the tractor's perspective, we've got the conduit in the ground. And it comes up out of the ground and runs over and up into the panel where I showed you a few moments ago. And what I'm going to do is continue digging down towards the camper, digging the trough for this wire.